They say as he be like this now, they say Tinubu don't carry blanket to cover himself. Oh, no be small thing. Nigerians, all the whole world are watching. They say this shame and a very big one. Now the Nigeria judiciary system they bring can't give themselves. The whole world have seen the Nigerian Nyako because ndị Igbo si na ọkụkọ na-aga n'ụzọ ọ sị na ikuku kuo ike ọkụkọ emepe o na if breeze blow they say that the fuel nyash go open o as it be like this now so Nigeria nyash take open because the judiciary is gone. Nobody is getting justice anymore in Nigeria as far as this Nnamdi Kanu case has brought everything clear of what the intention of this government for ndị Igbo. However, we are going to bring you the videos for watch. Nnamdi Kanu don't chocotalize all of them today and tell them that all this marginalization will end on him. Now in own time he go end up. In verb say this thing must stand. My people, just watch the video before we go come back, come continue. Don't forget to go and follow our new page. Thank you guys. We hit 5K immediately. So you guys tried. We just created this page not up to a week and we just made it there. So we are growing stronger. So try to be the part of the family. Guys, watch the video before we come back and continue.
So I was actually surprised that a high court have refused to obey or abide by the determination of a Supreme Court judgment.
And then take the only part that is against him and then refuse to apply the part that is in favor of him.
This cherry picking of what was contained in the Supreme Court judgment is what I'm against.
Yes, that's correct.
It should be implemented holistically.
Yes.
I'm not against facing any trial.
Judgment.
After all, I'm innocent, they have not been against me. But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law.
Are you concerned that this means for the case to go back and come back to the court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still be comfortable?
It's not going to happen.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you...
Bring that envelope. Bring the envelope.
Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it. I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more...
Give her the Supreme Court judgment.
Can you hold this for me?
She can...
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And it's here. Where is it? Please do bear with me. It says it here.
I like
what is it. Page? What is that again?
Where
it says
page 18.
all these things are online. Is it not page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the virtuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges. They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196?
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
Because
and in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, in the United Kingdom. When my lawyers came to see me, I had a discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself.
They remove it.
I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me.
They removed that long.
Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yeah, based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196?
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
Thanks.
The persecution against the Igbos. The persecution
No, let them give them a fresh one, not the ones. No. We have many of that.
Mr. Kanu, last one last question. One last question. Reference to what she has asked earlier. Just one of the senior judges at this court.
And I have respect and love for her. She knows.
What if this case comes back to her? Because
It is not possible. It's not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. Very well. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing.
Yes.
It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
The rules change when it comes to
I'm one of the lawyers to Nnamdi Kanu. His matter came up today at the Federal High Court, number 3 in Abuja. And we made efforts to make the courts understand that we have filed several appeals about some of the rulings of the court. One of those appeals borders on the jurisdiction of the court to go into hearing because we believe that our client, Nnamdi Kanu, has not been given that opportunity of getting himself ready for a defense. And our reason principally is because of the environment where he is detained. We strongly believe that the DSS facility where he is detained has microphones that listen into our conversations when we are talking with him. We also have issues of presenting possible defense strategy and mechanisms to Nnamdi Kanu while in detention, because their cameras captures virtually everything that goes on whenever we are visiting Nnamdi Kanu. And aside that too, whenever we present or come with documents to show Nnamdi Kanu in preparation for his defense, the DSS force us to surrender those documents to them. They take it into one of their offices. Possibly they make photocopies of them and all sorts of things. So it became difficult actually for us to prepare Nnamdi Kanu for trial. We have brought these issues before the court. The court has refused to appreciate the facts with us. So we decided to file an appeal against the findings of the court with respect to that issue. The matter at the Court of Appeal has not been heard yet, but we have filed all the processes that requires us to be filed. The prosecution has also filed their own processes too. We also have filed an application challenging the revocation of his bail, in line with the judgment of the Supreme Court that said that Nnamdi Kanu's bail ought not.
Okay, my wonderful people, Shebun, I don't hear them. The fearless man himself, the Nigerian government should leave Nnamdi Kanu to go in peace. I've said this in so many times in this platform that holding Nnamdi Kanu, you are waking more Igbos, because I believe that some millions of Igbos are still sleeping. So you are waking them up. Why some are slumbering as well? So Nigeria government should leave Nnamdi Kanu if they actually want peace in Southeast, if they actually want unity of Nigeria, because Nigeria cannot move forward without Igbo. That is a very big story. So the earlier the better we keep on. That is, we understand that Nigeria cannot move forward without Igbo. Is the better. Because if you people keep pretending that everything is working fine for you, because you are stealing oil, you are taking everything in Igbo land, and you are also sponsoring insecurity in Igbo land, you understand, to blackmail the Igbos. But if you keep on doing that and think that Nigeria will move forward, everything will get more worse. And my people, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it dey hot.